yeah, I love these videos. Oh, so satisfying. Exactly. Hot knife into the bottle, edging tape, my favorite kind of tape. Pull it through, and boom, you got little glue tape.
Yeah.
Next, we have a burning thing for your lighter. Easy cut, no problem.
Here we go. Okay.
Styrofoam battery, easy cut, no problem.
Okay. Yeah. And now, of course, butter.
Peanut butter. Peanut butter.
Yeah.
No problem. So now we have lunch and a fixed floor.
Yes, exactly.
I feel like peanut butter goes bad though. Are you sure you want that underneath your floor?
No, don't repeat it, please.
Okay, pen.
Don't believe everything.
Metal cable.
So what is this?
I don't know.
Oh, it's like.
Wow, rust cleaner. That's awesome.
Wow.
We need to test that now.
Right now.
Right now. Literally,
Okay,
where is my drill?
let's go.
Get the drill. Okay. So we're fixing a door with some foam.
Okay. Let's. Okay. How would they block this?
Okay, so we have the controller through the wall because you get really angry sometimes. Yeah. How do you kill me? You have an aimbot, you loser! Hate that. Okay.
Have you ever been so angry that you broke some?
Never ever. I've had friends that were.
Yeah.
And I don't hang out with them anymore. Anger issues.
Yeah, me neither. I never broke any stuff.
Guys, let us know below. Yeah. Did you ever break anything because of a game? Did you ever break your laptop, your keyboard, your mouse, controller?
Yeah, not judging here.
Girlfriend's heart?
That was.
Glue gun. Okay, so now we have a nice little connection here that looks not very nice, actually.
Okay. Yeah, but come on.
They didn't even squeeze it.
They didn't. Yeah, that did well. Oh, okay.
Get some clean film or cling film? Spark protection.
Yeah, one tube and another, I guess.
Ah, okay, maybe.
What?
Why not?
What you surprised?
I said wow, because then they can take the tube that doesn't hold and then bend it with the plastic.
Gotcha.
It's nice.
That actually was nice. It's like a saw, but with the sandpaper.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, sharp.
Okay.
What next? Wow. Okay. Yeah. Wow. Nice.
It works.
Yeah. It works.
But then you can also just, if you already bought the tools for the other things, you could not break those and just get a new one. Maybe. If you can. If you want.
Maybe.
Whatever floats your boat. Okay, we'll sand this off. And now we have a longer piece of wood. Some tape, some glue, baking soda, more glue, baking soda, more glue.
Baking soda, baking soda.
I got baking soda, I got baking soda. Okay.
Yeah, well, shall we test it?
I think we should test it.
Yeah, let's
do
do
it.
Good. Oh, we saw it, right? And we tested this.
Yep.
I love it. I love it. I
That's
don't know
really, that is a nicer angle for sure. I like this video, but it looks bad.
That's could be. Yeah, I agree with you. But anyway, I like it.
Not everything you like has to be good. It's okay.
That's true.
Like I like Pitch Perfect.
Renovation Nation! Okay.
Snipping off this thing. Are we ruining it?
We make a perfect cut for bending.
They're bending it?
Yep.
Ah. Looks pretty good. Okay. What's next?
Pretty good. What?
All right. Okay. They're drilling a thick hole in this thing.
It's he uses sponge. He drills the sponge and put the water in it, so the whole drilling of
so it doesn't crack.
It doesn't crack and doesn't create the dust.
Ah, yes, that's good. Sawdust is the enemy.
Yeah.
It's very bad for you if you inhale it. So smart. Nice, kind of interesting.
Interesting, but another thing which is also good, you can use a tape and go around your drill and just put the drill on your screw.
True, yeah. All right, nice little wire twisting method.
Mm-hmm.
We're getting the nut, and we're dabbing the nut, drilling the nut.
What?
Looping a hole through the nut. And it's a nice little secure connection.
Well, okay. Make it all the way.
Easy. Okay, I mean, it looked nice.
Yeah, okay, but let's give it a chance.
All right.
Well,
Ooh.
okay.
All right, so I'm starting to be
Practical?
convinced a little bit. It's a match made in heaven. We got this.
When your carpet is broken, regular situation.
Yeah, but then
and-
you just took it from another part of the carpet, and now that part of the carpet is bald. So
But was it a hack? I think it was just repairing. Okay, it's fine.
okay, getting the angles all correct here. Boom,
Oh.
perfect, kind of.
Bash bush.
Tape and leave it there.
Or you make the perfect cut for replacement.
Glue it in and bam.
Wow, it's perfectly hidden.
Or
Or
they did some movie magic.
but I believe that
You think it
would
worked?
work, yeah.
Okay.
I mean, that's legit. Looks legit.
You're more optimistic than I am, apparently.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we did this little marky mark, and now... Oh, that's a waste of a pencil. What are we gonna do with it?
I know.
You know?
I know.
Did you make this?
I saw it.
Oh, okay.
I saw it. It's yeah. For hard to reach places.
Hard to reach
breathe.
places.
Yeah.
That's like a nice back scratcher as well.
Yeah.
Same concept.
It's kind of work, right?
Yeah.
Not the best way, but still.
Ooh.
Oh.
Wow, that's cool.
That's actually nice.
What is it? I don't get it though. Why do you need a double-sided saw?
It's a saw for fast
Fast cutting.
fast cutting. Yeah.
Okay. So it clamps down as you cut?
Yeah. So it's yeah.
Keeps getting smaller, yeah.
But to be honest, I think it's not the best saw.
What's the best saw?
Japanese. I don't know.
Japanese saw.
No. I mean,
What?
there is special Japanese.
I didn't ask
saw,
you what the
yeah.
best language was.
I mean, you got me.
Okay.
So I mean, it's not the
Ooh.
perfect.
Okay.
But maybe.
I think
No, it's just my personal opinion.
nobody's
about
perfect.
this.
Okay. Everybody has their own uses
Exactly.
in their place in life, and so does this saw.
Yeah.
And it's in a 5-minute crafts video, and it's in a video of us reacting to a 5-minute crafts video.
Boom. Trigger. And
I like it.
yeah.
I really want to use it.
Repair hacks. Nice. He's filling it up.
Fill
Yep.
them up. Okay. Ooh.
Oh, cut it out.
Looks gooey.
After last yelling.
All right, some putty. There's too much
Yeah,
yelling.
too much yelling.
Okay, we're getting some putty. We're filling up this crack.
All right,
Okay.
nice. What?
That
looks
looks
fake.
sick.
That looks
That's-
fake.
Okay, we're
Fake sick.
spilled some
Fake
paint.
sick.
He's so chill about spilling paint on a nice little carpet.
I'll just put some water on it.
It's okay. This
And
happens
welcome,
every
Lena.
day. Nothing's new.
You could destroy your Roomba. No, it's
There's a vacuum cleaner as well.
Just suck up the paint, use it for later.
No, I don't think this works.
I don't think it works either.
What are you
That definitely
talking
does not
about?
work.
I
What is happening?
I felt like we've been lied to.
We have been lied to.
Oh,
I
hey,
have more questions than answers.
your drawer's broken.
Oh no!
He's gonna fix it.
Not my joints. When
Fix
you're
those
old, your
joints.
joints just get worse.
Yes.
Oh, we're getting some dowels.
With the
Okay.
weather. Yes, towels, Flint. Towels.
Oh, we're just filling in the cracks?
There we go.
All right, more
Okay.
crack filling.
And now you have a perfect contact for the hinges.
Ah, nice.
Nice.
So if your holes get worn out, you just have to fill them up again, and then.
With some dowels.
All right. Ooh, I feel like that's wrong. I feel like it's not okay to do that. Probably illegal
Why?
in some countries.
to screw your bolt.
Yeah, don't screw my bolt. Buy me dinner first.
Yeah.
Jeez.
Okay, put the holder or something. Yeah,
Ah,
here we go.
and then you tighten it and it squeezes it together
Mhm,
like a
mhm,
Dremel
mhm.
kind of thing. Nice.
Okay, but not perfect line.
No, yeah. Do better. Be better, 5-minute
Yeah,
craft.
exactly.
Come on.
But
We
as
have
an
a
idea,
professional 5-minute crafter here. He can't take this nonsense.
Yeah, I can't.
We have a lot of people commenting below saying, "Isn't that guy on 5-minute crafts
No
roasting
way.
5-minute crafts?" Yes. Who better to roast 5-minute crafts than a 5-minute crafter?
I guess so.
Yeah.
I guess so. I know this kitchen, you know.
Yes, exactly. You were part of the movement of 5-minute crafts. So it's still moving.
Yes, so-
which is what we're reacting to.
But yeah.
Okay. So do you think it's better or worse since you left?
What the provocation here?
Okay. No answer.
Of course, worse.
What do you guys think?
With me,
Has-
it was much better.
There you go. That's it. I'm so glad you're so humble. Ooh.
Oh.
Well. So okay.
Got some things to protect your pipes.
Yeah.
All right. Nice little soldering thingy.
Yeah, we tested this, but to be honest, it's not the best how you can connect your wires.
Yeah.
I can officially say it.
Officially.
Officially.
Professionally.
Exactly.
Okay, so now we have this, and yeah, get some more leverage. Makes sense.
No, it's to make the thread.
Ah.
Can you imagine it?
Now I know.
There is no thread on that part. Anyway. I mean,
It's
Not
okay.
on the corner.
You're looking too much into this. This is 5-minute crafts.
Wow, okay. Destroy your spoon. For what?
It's a flat spoon.
Wow, that's...
Ooh.
What I wanna
Buy me
test.
dinner first.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, we're hitting these up.
And,
For what?
I don't know. For
Okay, I'm
cleaning
afraid.
Something for, I don't know, clean our wood from the paint or something. That's the idea which...
It could,
I
yeah, it
had.
could be that. Could be that.
So...
Always remember to clean your wood.
Yeah,
Not like
here
this though. Don't use that.
Yeah, it's a styrofoam.